Hello guys, welcome back. It's a bit cold today, right? It's so cold today. Okay, let's begin with our lesson today. And today's lesson we will learn about how to mirror your iPad or phone screen iPhone for iPhone screen and iPad to into your computer or your laptop. So let's begin with um, the website. I will show you. The software. Let's go to this website, the Google, and I will use A-Power, A-Power software. You can type here A-Power. Here it shows on the suggestion. Yes, go to this, and we will download. Actually, I downloaded this software already, but if you don't, you go to this website, A-Power, and you can download here. Yes, I download from this button, and then you will have, after you download it, then you have to run the software by following some steps. It's very easy. You just click the agreements and by choosing next and run the software. And yes, I already ran the software, and here is the software that I have uploaded. Here, this software. Okay, so now to mirror the screen to computer, you click on this app, this software. I will link the iPad, and then you click on the evaluate. Yes, and after that, you have to use this iPad. Yes, this down button. I don't know how to show you that. This one, the very down one, and then click on the AirPlay. The AirPlay. It's really hard for you to see. As you can see, the AirPlay. As you can see, this. Click on the AirPlay, and then you will choose the PC's name. So this PC's name is A-Power Software, and then click on the mirroring. There you go. So here, okay, now you can see it clearly. As you can see in the screen, I already mirrored the screen into the computer. Here, down here, see, I slide it down, and now wait. Here, you have to slide it up, and then you will see the A-Power. This button, right? This button. You see? You can see the option is popping up, and then you have to here mirroring. Click on the mirroring. So I already clicked on it, and that's why it's already appeared in the computer. Okay, is it that easy for you? I think it's very easy. So, for example, you don't want to you want to close it back, right? So yes, now it goes back to normal. You don't have any screen showed on in the no, in the computer. So to do that, you click on the mirror that I showed you just now, the button, as you can see from when you slide it up, and then you will see some options. You connect to the PC, click on the name of the PC, and then you choose the mirroring. I would click on the mirroring. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There you go. You see. As you can see, you can slide, you can screen in the to the computer, and you can do whatever recording you want, because sometimes it's hard to show it from the computer when you do the recording to do the tutorial and stuff. And but when you screen from the phone, it's very easy for you. For example, if you want to show something, like you're showing people how to install Facebook account into your iPhone or into the iPad, or how to download what picture from Instagram, save picture from Instagram. Then you can go to this Instagram, and then you have some steps that you have for people to follow. Yeah, it's very convenient for you because you have the apps in their side iPad and in your phone. You don't have to go to what don't have to go to the browser inside a computer. It's very hard for you because since you have everything here, you can use and screen to the computer and then record every pictures or every videos there to let people learn more about you or more about your techniques, more about how the ideas and knowledge that you want to show or want to share to people. Okay, this is all for today. I hope you learned how to mirror the screen iPad screen to the computer. Hope you understand it. Bye bye.